Hey, what's up, guys? It's Cassie G from CryptoNurse. I'm a master of blockchain, and this is my first video, so bear with me. But we're gonna discover this new coin. Let's talk about it and quickly how to set it up if you are interested. Quickly, for all the people that don't know, this is a token, a DAO token. It's something that you can stake. So really simple for people that don't understand. You put money in a place where it will basically, it's like your savings account, but you get a higher return rate. And you have a chance, of course, if the coin goes to shit, you can lose your money. That is the risk. But hey, it's you can earn up towards 500,000 APY, annual return rate, if you just stake your money there. So keep that in mind for all the new people. We're working on a video, what is DAO, and similar projects that you can understand, but this is a good way to make money every single month. All right, so the coin is called ZerotwoOHM. It's a project like Ohm and Time, as we know. Ohm did really well, same as Time. And I feel like you can take a gamble with this one. It's a really risky high gem, so be aware of that. But let's quickly jump into it, what this coin is and what it does, or I guess a token. What is ZerotwoOHM? ZerotwoOHM is the first decentralized reserve currency protocol natively built on the Arbitrum One network. ZerotwoOHM is built around the Zero2 token, which is backed by a basket of assets, providing it a value floor which it cannot fall below. ZerotwoOHM utilizes economic and game theoretical mechanics through its bonding and staking mechanisms. What is the goal of ZerotwoOHM? The goal of ZerotwoOHM protocol is to create trustless protocol-controlled decentralized currency on the One Arbitrum One network. By utilizing stability controls, we hope to develop the Zero2 to eventually be a highly liquid medium of exchange for the Arbitrum network. In the near term, the system is configured to prioritize growth and distribution to gain adoption. We hope to form mutually beneficial relationships throughout the decentralized finance ecosystem. Purchasing, bonding, or staking Zero2 in a growth phase is a bet on the future growth and development of RB's universe. 20% of ZerotwoOHM's treasury revenue will go directly to the Starbase pool, and 5% will go to the Arby's Finance Treasury. Brand name free at the Arby's food court. If you want to know how to bond, you can check it out right here. We're going in depth for the stake. It's pretty easy, but yeah, let's jump into this. So about the Zero2 token. ZerotwoOHM is part of a DeFi ecosystem called Arby's Finance. Just in short, Arby's Finance here on Twitter, look them up, which offers multiple yield farming opportunities. So this could play out really well. Arbitrum is a layer 2 scaling solution for the Ethereum blockchain. From my experience, transactions are very fast on Arbitrum. All right, so let's go through the steps first. Make sure your MetaMask wallet is set up and ready to go. You'll have to add the Arbitrum network to your MetaMask wallet address. So let's go through that right now. So you'll add it right here. This is the correct information for the network, so you can add it right there. I'll put it all down in the description, so check it out. Here you can see the price of the, oh shit, it just went up to 711. So here you go, you got the price chart. Okay, so now we're on the website. You can connect your wallet. That's the first thing you'll have to do. Then go over to Z20 or Z2O and buy on SushiSwap. That's what we're gonna do next. Import token, it gives you the option straight away. You can also add it to tokens right here. Here's the contract for the token. So once you enter that, it will go automatically in SushiSwap. All right, so what we're gonna do next is head over to the Synapse Bridge website, connect your MetaMask wallet. That's what I'm going to do right now. Let's give it a second. Okay, so we're connected. We're going to swap our real ETH in a way to our Arbitrum ETH. Switch network, please. Thank you very much. Okay, so we switched. I just got enough ETH for one transaction. Let's just put it in right now. So we're going to swap 0.19 ETH to Arbitrum ETH. Let's bridge it now. Then we'll have enough. Oh God. Oh no. Nah, gas fees is still too high, guys. I'm sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna wait till the gas fees is lower, but we're still gonna proceed with the video. So when you have done that, you'll have Arbitrum ETH in your wallet. Then you can go to SushiSwap. you can select MIM. Oh, you can select ETH from the Arbitrum network that you will now have. This is the incorrect ETH, by the way. This is not the arbitrary ETH. Like, you need this one right here. You need to switch network, so be careful. Don't use your original ETH, use your Arbitrum ETH. I have 0, as you can see, because I haven't swapped it yet. Anyway, for the purpose of this video, we're going to MIM. Then, once you've done that earlier, with the ETH, you can swap your ETH to MIM. Then you switch them around, and you can switch them around to your MIM and your ETH. Replace your ETH with the ZerotwoOHM token, then max it or however much you would like. Then we can head over to the website. As you can see, here's the website. She looks very cute. If you haven't watched this anime already, by the way, check it out. I personally really like it. Great anime. So let's enter the app. All right, so we're back here. You can really simple max your amount and just approve it. That's really it. So yeah, that's when you staked your ZerotwoOHM ETH. Well, it's your own call if you want to do this. I'm personally going to do just one for now. I might do more in the future, but hey, it's not financial advice, so please don't bite me in the ass if something goes wrong. You can keep checking the chart in the description as well. I linked everything down, so don't worry about it. You can even discover the bonding, but personally, I'm going to stay with the staking. Thank you all for watching. If you haven't already, like this video, subscribe. That's a big one. We got many more planned. We're actually coming with a time and ohm video. We've knew about time and ohm quite a while ago, maybe around $250 ohm and time around $2,500. We just started up the YouTube channel, so we're really grinding that out right now. But if you want to know more about these projects, make sure to consider joining our Discord. Today is the final day of the discount code Spooky30. So if you want to join, you got 30% off for life right now. I'd say don't miss it, but hey, it's up to you. If you got 30 bucks to spare, I would do it. That's it for this video. See you later, guys.